Hello and welcome to Microsoft Word for Beginners. This is part A, using pictures and graphics. In this video, we will discuss how to insert image, object and graphics in a Word document and format them using the commands and tools available in MS Word. The internet document created in the earlier videos will be used to experiment with graphics. A picture is a great way to convey a message quickly to an audience without them reading through a lot of text. Adding clip arts and pictures to your document can be a great way to illustrate important information and add decorative accent to the existing text. Makes the document visually appealing and grabs the attention of the users. To insert an image in the document, place the cursor where you want the image to appear. Like for instance, we want to insert an image after this table. The cursor is blinking. Click on Insert. Under your illustrations group, you have pictures. Click on the drop down. You have three options over here. You can insert a picture from the file which is present on this device, that is the pictures saved on your PC. You can use stock images to access a large collection of high quality images. You can also use online pictures available on the web. If you are using stock images, they are free to use with some limitations if you have a license application. Using online images or pictures, do check the copyright permission on the site. Some contents which is available online is free to use, but it is generally a good practice to credit the original creator of the content by writing a short name or a short description of the person who has clicked the picture. So let us proceed to insert a picture. Cursor is placed, click on pictures. I have the picture already in place on my device. Choose the folder wherever your picture is saved. Select the picture and click on Insert. The picture is available on your document. When you insert a picture on a Word document, the picture format tab appears, which has a ribbon with various groups, and commands and tools are available to format the pictures. Let us see some tools which are available on the picture format tab. First one, under your adjust group, you have remove background. If you want to remove the background of the picture, you can use this. You can use them to correct the pictures. You can change the sharpness, the brightness of the picture, plus there are other options available under your picture corrections option. Next one, you can change the color of the picture, transparency and artistic effect. Like if I choose this one, you can see the changes in the picture. You can always experiment with these. You have the options of refreshing the picture. You can change the picture, you can reset the picture. Next group is the picture styles. If you click on this drop down, there are various styles available. You can also choose a style of your choice. Say if you want a frame like this with a black outline, that can always be chosen. With some other effects like this one, I can choose this. If you want to add a picture border, any kind of effect or layout, you can choose from these options available. Plus you can also open the format picture dialog box. Here you can see the various options for adding shadows, reflection, any kind of 3D formatting you want to apply. You have that is available under effects. You have fill, color and line. You can fill in some colors if you want. Plus these two options are also available to format the picture. You can always click on the drop down and these options will be shown to you. You can scroll and choose the one to apply on the picture. Under the arrange group, You have positioning, wrap text. You can send the picture back or put it in front. You can change the alignment of the picture, like all these options are alignment is available. You can choose from them, left align or right align. If I choose a different picture, those options will be shown. Let's say this one. Here you can see this picture, it is aligned. You can align it in the center. You can change the alignment to the left of the text. That can be set. You can group. Here two other options are available. You can group the objects. If you have some objects in place on your document, you can group them together. You can flip or rotate the objects also. You have these options to rotate or flip horizontally or vertically. These can be applied as well. You can see the changes over here. Since I have shifted it to the left side, I have flipped the picture. Positioning, by default it is in line with the text. You can also change it to some other option as per your requirement. Say I want to enter a picture over here between before the paragraph. Let's insert a picture and then we will discuss wrap text. Here you can see the picture being inserted. Let us change you can always use these corner handles to change the size of your picture, or under the size group you have the option of changing the height and width of the picture. One more option is available, is the cropping, the crop option. You can remove the unwanted part from the picture. If I click on the crop option, you can see these dark frames around the picture. You can click and drag and remove the unwanted part from your picture. Say I want only this much, the rest is not required. Once you are done, just press the escape key. The area which you have deselected, it will be removed. The picture is inserted. Let us work with wrap text. As you can see, the picture is not moving because it is by default it is in line with the text. Let's try and place it somewhere else together with this text. So click on under your array picture format and arrange group, click on wrap text and let's choose square over here. You can see the picture is on the left hand side and the text is appearing on the right hand side. You can change the size of the picture. Now you can position the picture as per your choice. Let's reduce the size of the picture a little more and place it on this side. We don't want this much space over here. You can always adjust, you can change. If you want to format the picture further, that can also be done. Together with the picture, you get the wrap text option here as well. You can fix the position on the move with the text, or you can fix the position on the. Let us add an object to our Word document. Click on insert and under illustrations group you have shapes. You can select a shape. You have other options available. You can also open the drawing canvas. All these shapes which are available, that can be inserted to your document. Say we have inserted a star over here. You just have to click and select and then click and drag and place the shape on the document. Say we place this. When you place an object on the document, you can see the shape format tab. Now shape format tab has all the commands and tools which we can use to format the object placed on the document. You can select various styles. You can fill in a color. You can have different effects. You can insert some text inside this shape. The same options for positioning, wrapping text, bringing it forward or sending it back. If you have different shapes or you are placing it together with a text, you can use it to change the placement of the objects. Plus you have the crop, grouping and sizing options available. In this video, we have seen how we can insert images, pictures, graphics and objects, and how to format them. In the next video, we will discuss how to create a table of content and insert it and place it on a Word document. Till then, stay tuned and thank you for watching this video.